Hi, I'm Maureen Legas, and I'm an agent here in the North Florida region. I'm also Georgia Alpazar's Regional Tech Support. Georgia has asked me to put together a video explaining how to use the new KW referral system that was introduced at Family Reunion. Now I'm also going to speak a little bit about updating your KW Connect profile. That profile information will feed into your KW referral system so agents see information about you when they're placing referrals. The system is in development, so any feedback that you have would be greatly appreciated. Please send that to support@kw.com. All right, let's get started. So let's first talk about the KW Connect profile. To get to KW Connect, you go into My KW, Rollover Education, and click on KW Connect. And that will take you into your KW Connect system. Now up here, let me see if I can expand this. You'll see, if you don't have your picture yet, it might just be a circle, but when you roll over this, it'll say My Profile. So click your profile, and then you come here, and in the center of the page, it says Edit My Profile. And you click to edit your profile. It'll let you upload your photo, a banner photo, put your email, and just fill in all the information, your service areas, your links to your social media, and then down here towards the bottom when to get updates, and then what kind of information to show in your profile. And then you want to click to update that. Once that's updated, you go to My Profile. You'll see the banner here. I created this using PicMonkey, but Canva, any of those photo editing will work, and I just sandwiched 3 pictures together. It'll show information about me. You can click More to get the entire profile. One of the things I put in here was information that I wanted to show up in the My Referrals section. Right now, I don't have my team production showing. It's just production that's associated with me. So one of the things that the tech team is working on is getting the production for husband-wife teams and looking at some requests that people have made for partnerships too. So I put some information that I wanted to show up on the referrals section. And so it has also, I'm a KW trainer, so it has some information about that. I put some testimonials in here, what clients have said. And then it shows some production. Again, this is only production that somehow is associated with just me and not the full team. Some specializations, language, and that shows up in your profile. So you want to take care of that. Again, that is My KW. Under Education, KW Connect, and the profile. Make sure you update your profile over here. All right, so let's talk about the referral system. Please keep in mind that this is still in development, so KW is looking for our input. If you see something that doesn't seem to be working correctly, please send that information. A screenshot would be helpful, a full description, maybe a video of how you feel it should be working, to support@kw.com. There are a couple of videos that KW has produced. If you go under Education, KW Connect, you're going to see, search here for referrals. You will see a couple of introductory videos. Getting started with referrals and building your own referral network. I would suggest watching those as well so you get an overview of it. So what this is a referral program, a referral network that you can create for yourself. You can create a custom network, your network of your referral partners. It'll track your referral partners. It'll track your referrals. You can get updates, and it is intended to make the referral process for each of the agents easier to maintain, to watch, to know what's happened to your referrals, and to notify the partner that sent you a referral information about what's going on with their referral. So let me show you how to access that. This is Chrome, Google Chrome. Across the top here, it'll say My Referrals. Now, if we go to another browser, it might not be here. It might be under Profile. Now this doesn't have it. Let me show you what it looks like on Firefox. So on Firefox, it has these bars over here. When you click there, it'll say My Referrals. That's how you access the program. So let's click over to go to My Referrals. Also, during the day when they're doing updates, the referral program, let me see if I can show you what it might look like. Some of the browsers can't get to it, so let me show you that. So here I am on Chrome. I'm going to click my referrals, and I'm going to get a there it worked. Sometimes you get that notification that it's not working. If that's the case, try another browser. So here I am on the referrals, and I'm able to see that I have one inbound referral. I don't have any outbound referrals, and I don't have any waiting for my response. You're given so many hours to accept the referral. I can click to go to my referrals to look at it. I can look at people I've added to my referral network. I can see pending invitations where I've sent a request for someone to join my network, and I can click to grow my network. So if I click to grow my network, that's where I can add agents to the referral partners I have across the country. And so then you can come in at any time, see who your partners are, and search by that area or by the partner's name in order to send them referrals. When you click on Grow My Referrals, it's going to bring up the map. And let me make this a little bigger. And you can search by the map. You can click on any of these locations. You can search by city or postal code, or you can search for a particular name of an agent you're trying to add to your network. And that'll bring that agent up, or it'll bring many agents up based on the postal code. So let's say I'm looking for an agent in Michigan. So I'm going to click on this Michigan icon, and it's going to show me the areas around Michigan. And I'm going to say, okay, I want this agent to be in Ann Arbor. So I'm going to click on Ann Arbor, and it's going to show me in random order all of the agents there. And I can change this. I can sort by their name, by closed units, any of these things that I'm interested in to sort by. So when I look at these folks in Ann Arbor, I see that sometimes you'll see, let's see if I can find one here, a little icon on the photograph here that shows that they're on a team. And if you click that icon, you can see all of the team members. And that will give you some information about this particular team, how many people are on that team. And you can see that Martin has closed 291 units, sold 135, buy sides 156. I can click to add to my network, or I can click to send a referral. Let's see what this does. That opens up a little bit more information about the agent. All right, so that's how you would add people to your referral network. Once you click to add them, Martin will receive an email saying, Maureen Legas just requested to add you to her referral network. If Martin accepts that, I'll receive another email saying Martin has accepted, and then Martin will show up in my network of agents. And that's how that would work. And then you can, let me go back. So then you continue to grow your network, add referral partners. There'll also be a star that you can click next to your referral partner's name for your top referral partners. You'll find them more easily. So I'm going to show you how this works on your mobile device as well. All right, so you go to your app store and you look for Kelly, K-E-L-L-E, and there's some things that pop up that look like it might be Kelly, but you want to look for this blue icon, this KW icon. This says update for me because I already have it on my phone, but it'll say install or download, whatever your app store says. And then that would become available on your phone. So when you're on your iPhone, or it's also in the Google Play, when you're on your smartphone, you'll see the app here. You want to click on it. It's a blue Kelly app. And then it will show this. It'll show your profile. You can click to update your profile there as well. But it's going to show a notification button, and it's going to show information. If I click that I, it's going to ask me what I want to do here. Do I have general questions, or I want to look at the calendar, contacts, and then it has referrals. So I'm going to click referrals, and then it's going to give me a bunch of questions. Do I want to know the status? Do of my outbound, of my inbound. Do I want to add? It's funny when it says add John Smith. If I click that, it's going to add someone named John Smith. So that's kind of funny. But I click on grow my referral network. And when I do that, it's going to ask me who I would like to add. So it shows Kelly. This is previous messages. I click grow my referral network. It says, who would you like to add to your referral network? And so in here, I would type someone's name. And so if I type Sue Smith, it's going to go find all the Sue Smiths that are out there with their location and ask me to pick which one I want to add. It will add that person then to my referral network and send that same email saying Maureen has requested you join her referral network. Click here to do so. And they click there. Once they join, I get the message that they are part of that referral network. So really, that's the basics of using this program. You're able to track all the referrals that you're sending out and receiving. The people that are sending you referrals can ask for updates, and you can keep all the information in one place so that way nothing falls through the cracks. All right, so I hope that helps. Hope you have a great day. All right, this is just a quick update. I mentioned in the video to submit ideas to support@kw.com. You can actually go to ideas.kw.com and you want to sign in using your @KW email. So if you are not signed into your MyKW account, when you click this, it will take you to your login for your MyKW account. And when you sign in, you go to the KW Labs ideas where you can vote. Here's recent ideas, trending ideas, popular ideas. You can vote on these ideas. You can click to add a new idea, a recommendation for the tools that we have in KW. So when you click to add a new idea, it's going to ask you what the product is, and you can select one of the products and then type your idea, and that would be listed as something people can vote for. You can see what's trending. You can see any updates, things that are in process or planned. And so this is where you would want to submit your ideas and vote for those that have already been submitted. So it's ideas.kw.com. All right, thanks very much.